I'm in an extremely competitive market where I live, and I'm struggling to find a deal.
That's probably one of the number one calls or emails we get in the office is everyone's in a competitive market. If you're flipping a home or buying rentals or multifamilies, the market's just hot. What you have to understand, there's just a couple skill sets that'll differentiate you and give you an advantage over other people. And what we find with newer investors, maybe someone that's just attended a real estate workshop, some kind of seminar, is the number one problem they have is finding deals. So we actually created a program which you can learn more about on our website, which is called Deals Delivered, where we actually tap into the resources that we have across the country, from California to Texas to Florida, where we actually bring deals in, we pre-vet them, we check the ARV, we check the rehab budget, we check the market to see if they're in markets we like, and we bring the ground team as well. So we have the contractors, we have the real estate agents, we have the title companies, we even have we even have the agent that'll sell the property for a 1% commission on the back end. So if you're really struggling, I kind of treat them like an infill project. While you're looking for your really big payday,
sure,
how about having little $20,000, $30,000 paydays in between those
How
big
about
paydays?
That?
Well, I mean,
that sounds good to me.
So if you want to learn more about Deals Delivered, because that is the number one problem people have is finding deals, it's just go to our website and watch the videos and you'll learn more about that.
That's amazing. So you can have a deal anywhere in the country brought to you, and you will fund it and you will guide you through all the steps. And do you actually have like people, like say you found me a deal in Florida, do you have people in Florida that could do the rehab on that? Do you know?
We have people in Florida, we have people in Texas, we have people in California.
Oh, that's amazing.
We don't have people all around the country because
Right.
there's markets we don't want to be in. So one of the things is, if you think about it, with technology being what it is, the resources we have available, you no longer have to just focus in your own backyard. You know, like I'm from San Diego, so I don't just focus on doing deals in San Diego. I can do deals easily anywhere in the country because we have technology that allows us to do that. By doing that, what we do is we broaden our opportunities, right? If you're only playing in a small backyard, forget San Diego. What if you live in Bozeman, Montana, where there's a population of, I don't know, 30,000, 40,000 people?
Yeah.
Well, there's not a lot of deals there, but what if you could live in Bozeman and do deals in Dallas, Texas, where there's 1 million homes there?
Sure.
So what happens is we've created the system, process, and the team in place where you can live where you want, invest where the opportunities are.
Amazing. Love that.